Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today, we are from Group 5 would like to present our assignment about the financial problems among the students. Before we start, I would like to introduce my group members which are Nur Amira Natasha binti Kamaruddin, Nurul Atika binti Muhammad Fazil, Afika Farzana binti Agus and me myself Aisyah Zana binti Azaman. Okay, for the introduction of our assignment is, in Malaysia, the issue of financial struggles faced by the students has become a pressing concern. Most students are finding it difficult to fulfill their financial obligation as the cost of education keep going up and economic hardship persists. The academic performance, general well-being and future prospect can all be impacted by this financial struggle for the students. The availability of loans out to make it possible for students to concentrate on their studies and achieve the academic success. Most students' enrollment in the university marks their first time being financial independent and unrestrained by their parents. So, for the problem statements in this assignment is, when attending school or higher education, life and financial demand are quite different. This is due to the fact that the financial requirements at IPTs are far more expensive than those at the school level.
Okay, this is the literature that we use. There are three of them. The first one is from Asri Abu Bakar, Laili and Saad 2017. Next one is according to Hassan, Ismail and Harun 2013. And the third one is from Perman 2019. Objective. There are two objectives that we use for this way. The first one is to find the probability of a female given the food as a factor of student pocket money is not enough. We use a conditional probability. And the second one is to find the probability that one person randomly selected is female or is PPTN recipient or scholarship recipient. We use an additional rule.
Next, I will go through the methodology of our survey. We analyze the data which involve probability of female given food as a factor of student pocket money not enough and probability that one person randomly selected is female or is PTPTN or scholarship recipients. We conducted survey through a Google form to know student opinions about these statements. Then, we analyze the data using conditional probability and additional rule. Conditional probability is a probability that an event will occur given that another event has already occurred. If A and B are two events, then the conditional probability of A given B written as formula below, which A is female and B is food as factor student pocket money not enough. An additional rule is a probability of the union of two events, A and B, written as the formula below, which A is female and B is PTPTN or scholarship recipients. For the data background, the data are gathered using primary data, which is by distributing the questionnaires in the Google Forms. These are the questionnaires. Microsoft Excel was used to collect and analyze all the data. The total number of the respondents are 30 respondents. These are the results that we get from Google Form. And then this is the results that we get from Microsoft Excel.
In order to answer our objective, we will use two methods. The first method is by using the conditional probability. Here is the example question. To answer this question, we will let A equal to the student selected is female and B equal to food as a factor of student's pocket money does not enough. First, we will find the probability of A and B by using the formula of the number of sample of A and B over the total sample. Then we will get the probability of A equal to 17 over 30 and probability of B equal to 21 over 30. Question asks to find the probability of A given B, which is we will get the answer by using the formula of probability of A intersect B over probability of B. We will substitute all the value, then the final answer we will get the probability of A given B is equal to 0.571. Therefore, the probability that student selected is female given the food is a factor of student's pocket money does not enough is 0.571. We move to the second method, which is addition rule. Here is the example question. To answer this question, we will let A equal to the student selected is female and B equal to the student selected is PTPTN or scholarship recipients. By using the formula, we will get the probability of A equal to 0.567, probability of B equal to 0.500, probability of B given A equal to 0.300, and the probability of A and B equal to 0.300. By using the addition rule, probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A and B. we will substitute all the value, then the final answer we will get the probability of A or B equal to 0.767. Therefore, the probability that a randomly selected person from these 30 students is a female or PTPTN or scholarship recipient of this proposal is 0.767.
In conclusion, for the probability that a student selected is a female given the food as a factor of student pocket money does not enough is 0.571 from the data of survey that we have done. Next, in calculating the probability that a randomly selected person from the 30 student is a female or PTPTN or scholarship recipient, then we get 0.767. This is all from us. Thank you.